So when your child is taken by CPS, after a while, you begin to accept, even though you know that they're not supposed to be doing it, you begin to accept your fate, because you have to go see your kids and you have to do the basics to keep loving your child. So you accept your, position, and even though it's illegal, you begin to just conform to it, And so I basically was going through the motions and going to visits, even though I knew everything they were doing was not legal. And I hated every bit of it, and I refused to comply with their court order. I never did any services. I never did anything that they asked me to, and they still kept going no matter what, okay? Because they loved doing this to me. They loved keeping my child away from me. It brought them great happiness every single day. They came to work to do this. Jamia McRae, Sylvia Howard, Desiree Rollins, Natalie Green, these are all African-American women, and they are above the social workers, so you can't see them. The social workers were Julie DeCamp, Emily Pleater. They were Caucasian with blue eyes, so that's what they hired to basically hide behind. And they even write their notes for them, and you could tell it's them writing because they never spell anything right or say anything right. And it's but then when Julie really is the one writing it, I could tell when it's really her and when it's them writing it, because they say just the most outrageous crap, and I'm like, I know that's not Julie, because she just wouldn't talk like that, And so I know that either they're telling her to say that or they're writing it themselves. But they would never show themselves. I never met them. I never spoke to them. They're too scared. They won't. I have never spoken to these people in my life. Never seen them. Nothing. Okay? And they're so obsessed with me. It's insane. Like, you would be shocked at how much they focus on me, even right now today. Like, coming to my job, taking pictures of me, everything. They're obsessed with me, like beyond words. You have no idea. And I don't know why. I think they just, honestly, they laugh at me. They think it's funny. I swear. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. That's exactly what they do. They're obsessed and completely, it's just a weird obsession I will never understand. It's a tortured type obsession. Not like, sexual, but just weird.